Sa sunod-sunod na panalo ng tinaguriang halimaw ng Japan kontra sa mga pinili nito na may hinang kalaban, ay may dalawang Pinoy naman na maaari talagang tumalo sa kanya sa ibabaw ng lona. Ang dalawang Pinoy na ito ay pinabagsak lahat ng kanilang kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona. Dahil sa isang Hapon na boksingero na binansagang The Monster na Uya Inoue, ay naubos talaga ang magagaling nating pambato. Lahat ng kampyon na Pinoy ay pinagapang nito. Inakala nating si Casimero ang tatapos sa kanyang trono, ngunit tila ba nabayaran na ito ni Ito. Ngunit ngayong era, may isang napakalakas at napakagaling na batang boksingerong Pinoy ang lumalaban sa dibisyon niya. Lahat din ng kalaban ay pinabagsak ng ating bida, at sa aking paningin, mas malakas pa ito sumuntok kesa kay Naoya. Kaya naman siguradong gagapang ang The Monster ng Japan sa ating bida. Siya na ngayon ang pinakahalimaw na Pilipinong boksingero, kapalit ni Manny Pacquiao at Cuadro Alas, Janrel Casimero. Sa bansang Malaysia, kinalabutan at nagsitayuan talaga ang mga tao sa ginawa ng bagitong Pinoy na ating pambato. Hindi sila makapaniwala sa sobrang lakas ng ating boksingero. Ito yung Pinoy boxer na mula taong 2023, lahat ng kalaban ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng KO at hindi man lang umabot hanggang round 5 ang mga kalaban ng ating bida. Siguradong ito na ang susunod na katatakutan ni Naoya. Si Herlan Sexto Gomez ay isang mabait at mabuting bata. Simple at payak lang ang kanilang pamumuhay sa probinsya ng Negros Occidental, Bacolod City. Bata pa lamang ay mahilig na talaga ito sa sport na boxing. Sa katunayan, habang nag-aaral ay naging kampiyon na kaagad ito sa Philippine National Games since 2015 hanggang 2018 at sa Pacquiao National Cup noong 2018. Dito na siya nadiskubre ng mga promoter at boxing organizer. Kaya naman dahil sa napakagandang mga ring girl, sa talento ng ating bida, ay pinasok na niya ang pagiging isang professional na boksingero at kinuha siya at sinanay ng husto ng Highland Boxing Promotion. Nahubog talaga ang pangangatawan nito dahil sa pagsasanay at kakainsayo, kaya naging bato-bato at akmang-akma sa isang matigas na boksingero. Sa pagpasok ng taong 2023, January 25, unang buwan, sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand, nagsimula na ang pananalasa ni Herlan Gomez. Tinalo niya rito ang pambato ng Thailand na si Tanachai Kamon. Round 2 lang ang inabot ng kalaban dahil sa tindi ng kamao ng ating kababayan. Wala pang isang buwan ay lumaban na ulit ang ating pambato sa bansang Thailand. February 22, taong 2023 sa parehong venue ng Space Plus Arena. Makakalaban niya rito ang isang veteranong boksingero na may napakatinding kartada na 64 na panalo, 28 sa pamamagitan ng KO at 18 talo. Si Wick Hapulaikaw ay isang dekalibreng Thai na boksingero, ngunit round number 4 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato. Paglalabanan nila dito ang Asian Boxing Federation Bantamweight title.
เฮลันโกเบนี่สถิติชนะ6 ครั้งปิกมี่โอ้ไหวไม่ไหวครับโดนเลยครับปัดขวาโอ้ร่วงลงไปครับเรียบร้อยครับจบเลยครับแต่กรรมการยุติเลยครับเพราะว่าโดนมาเยอะแล้วเลยครับ
ABF Bantamweight Champion Herlan Gomez
Matapos ang isang buwan ay muling lumaban si Herlan. March 30 taong 2023 sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Kakalabanin niya rito ang isa sa veteranong Thai na boksingero. Si Pisano Sinsomtum ay may halimaw na kartada na 47 na panalo, 17 sa pamamagitan ng KO at 10 talo lamang. Pero round number 3 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating kababayan.
That left hand of his, just like that. Oh, and that was super quick. Looked like that was to the body. And I don't think Fisanu is going to make the count and get up. It looks like he's really struggling to here. Oh, he is. A referee said carry on straight away. Herlan coming in again. Shots to the body from Herlan and uppercut to the head. Big right uppercut, and Fisanu is down again for a second time. Is he going to make the count this time? And here we go, one more knockdown and that is it. And Herlan's got 10 seconds to pile on the pressure. And he's throwing everything he can at Fisanu. And there we go, saved by...
Dalawang beses man pinatumba ng ating kababayan ng Thai na boksingero, pero inunat-unat niya lang ang kanyang katawan dahil sa kanyang kayabangan. Round number 3, dito natatapusin ng ating kababayan ang kahambugan ng kalaban.
Try and get him out of there, get an early stoppage. 2 knockdowns in round number 2 for Herlan. Right uppercuts. Whoa, great right hand there, and that pushes Fisanu back. Fisanu was on slightly wobbly legs early on. Big left hook from Herlan. And Fisanu down again, and that's going to be it. Referee waving it off.
Araw ng Huwebes, May 25 taong 2023. 2 buwan makalipas, muling dumayo si Herlan Gomez sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand para sa Asian Boxing Federation title. Makakalaban niya rito si Jakpan Santong, ang pambato ng Thailand. Pero katulad ng mga naunang boksingero, round number 2 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Right hand there from Herlan, left hook as well. Finishing strong here, the Filipino in round number 1. Our referee, Mr. Chanet, and our judges at ringside. Good body shot there from Japan. Herlan rallying back with his own 1-2 and going to the body into the head. Very well placed right hand to the body there from Japan. And again, the champion. Challenger trying to fire back with his own 1-2, but being snubbed on the inside by the body work from Herlan. And Herlan now delivering hard right, ending that combination with a left hook, right uppercut from Herlan, and he's down. Japan is down. It was the left uppercut to the body. Beforehand he landed the right uppercut to the body as well, and it
August 26 taong 2023 sa Le Meridian Arena, United Arab Emirates, dumayo ang ating pambato na si Herlan Gomez para kalabanin ng halimaw ng India. Si Vikas Dahiya ay may halimaw na pangangatawan at hindi sumusuko sa anumang laban. Naghambog pa ito na papagapangin daw ang ating kababayan. Pero kalunos-lunos ang sinapit nito at round number 1 lang ang itinagal sa kanilang laban. Isang buwan na makalipas, nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng ating kababayan para sa WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight title. Araw ng Huwebes, September 28 taong 2023 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Muling dumayo ang ating pambato na si Herlan Gomez para kalabanin ang isang halimaw na boksingero ng Thailand. Si Congrats Natafek ay may halimaw na kartada, 32 na panalo, 23 sa pamamagitan ng KO at 8 talo lamang. Hindi man lang nangalahati ang record ng ating kababayan na 10 panalo, 7 sa pamamagitan ng KO at 1 talo. Kaya heavy underdog talaga ang ating boksingero. Pero sa laban na ito, round number 1 lang din ang itatagal ng halimaw na Thai na boksingero.
1 defeat, 7 of those victories coming by going at Concrete. Nice with the body shot. Second one looked like that really affected Concrete. And Herlin trying to get overhand right there from Herlin, and that took Concrete off balance. And again, Herlin putting on the right hand and left hook there from Herlin, and Concrete is on the canvas. No surprise. We've got. There we go again. Double hooks here. Right uppercut there, and for a second time, and that's it being waved off. Hernan Gomez.
Si Herlan Gomez ay naging bagong kampyon. Isa sa napakainit na prospect ng Pilipinas ngayon sa Bantamweight Division. Isa sa pag-asa ng Pilipinas sa sport na boxing. Pagkatapos ng 6 na sunod-sunod na panalo sa pamamagitan ng KO sa taong 2023, kinatakutan na siya kaya hirap na makahanap ng kalaban. Kaya 7 buwan din siyang natenga dahil ayaw na siyang labanan. Pero nito lang araw ng Sabado, May 11 taong 2024 sa Indoor Stadium, Kuching, bansang Malaysia, may isang veterano at kampiyon Thai boxer na naman ang pumalag sa ating bida. Si Sukprasert Pumpitak ay may 29 na panalo. 20 sa mga ito tinapos niya sa pamamagitan ng KO. Wala pa sa kalahati ang kartada ng Pilipino na may 11 panalo, 8 sa pamamagitan ng KO. Kaya kinalabutan talaga at napatayo ang mga tao dahil sa sobrang underdog ng ating pambato. Baka sa pangangatawan ng Thai na boksingero na isa talaga itong veterano, maskulado at bato-bato, sobrang kunat na daw niya kaya niya nilabanan ng Pilipino. Siya rin ang kampyon ng WBA Asia Super Bantamweight Division at kinatakutan talaga siya sa Thailand kaya siya naging kampyon. Round number 1, lahat ng matataas na tao sa Malaysia ay nanunood sa laban nila kaya kailangan magpakitang gilas ng ating bida. Malakas at maliksi ang Thai na kalaban pero binaliwala lang ito ng ating kababayan.
Melakukan boxing Thai. Super sweet. Super sweet. Satu body shot. Satu. Bukan sisi dengan sana. Hook yang begitu baik yang dilakukan oleh kali apakah dilakukan dan giliran bagi Sukri. Nampaknya petinju yang lebih matang.
Sa round number 2, nanggigil dito ang Thai na boksingero. Gusto talaga niyang pabagsakin ang ating pambato pero nabigo siya dito dahil kondisyonado ang ating boksingero.
Masih lagi mampu. Satu yang tidak masih. Kuat lagi. Walaupun dia penuh. Tolak dan dia melakukan pukulan.
Round number 3, dito natatapusin ni Kabayan ng kampyon na kalaban. Puro mabibigat na kamao ang kanyang pinakawalan, ang dumurog sa Thai na kalaban.
Cepat melakukan halan menemui dari belakang dan sekarang peluang bagi halan untuk menjatuhkan ataupun untuk mendapatkan mata sudah satu kemudian susulan yang begitu baik. Hook demi hook yang dilakukan oleh halan sekarang ini. Banyak menggunakan hook sekarang. Saya kira Supasrik yang bertahan. Dia terpaksa bertahan. Dan nampaknya dia menguasai pertandingan. Herlan nampak yakin dan diberhentikan oleh pengadil. Dan dikawal diberikan oleh Suraidi. Bukan kata pengadil. Jadi hal yang pertama yang dilakukan. Dan inilah peluang bagi Herlan untuk
Bagsak ang Thai na boksingero at palakpakan ng mga tao. Sobrang natulala naman ang mga taga Malaysia. Nagsitayuan talaga sila dahil namangha at kinalabutan sa ginawa ng ating bida. Si Herlan Gomez ay isa talagang di-kalibreng boksingerong Pilipino na nagsikap at naniwala sa pangarap. Katulad ni Pacquiao, magiging kampyon din at magtatagumpay din siya sa hinaharap.
โอ้โหสายเต็มหน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้นะครับเรียบร้อยครับ
Kita lihat aksi
Isang di kilalang Pinoy na boksingero ng Magdalena Sorsogon ang gumagawa ng ingay at pangalan ngayon sa bansang Thailand. Mula taong 2022 ay hindi pa ito natalo. Knockout lahat ng Thai na kanyang nakalaban at hindi man lang umabot hanggang round 5 ang mga Thailander na kalaban. Mas matindi pa kay Naoya Inoue kung gumamit ng body shot ang boksingerong Pinoy na ito.
ปัดแหวกการเรียบร้อยครับจบแค่ยกแรกครับกรรมการบนเดินขาว
Okay, so and again, right hooks to the body and referee.
Napakalakas ng boksingerong ito dahil 8 sunod-sunod na Thai ang kanyang tinalo sa pamamagitan ng KO. Kaya sa kanyang sobrang husay ay palakpakan talaga ang napakaraming mga tao. Si Ador Preles Torres o mas kilala bilang Ador Torres ay ang tinaguriang Terminator ng Philippine boxing. Nagmula siya sa bayan ng Magdalena, lalawigan ng Sorsogon. Katulad ng ibang boksingero, nagmula rin sa hirap ang ating pambato. Pagsasaka ang tanging ikinabubuhay nila ng kanyang pamilya. Kaya maagang nabatak ang katawan ng ating bida. At boxing kaibigan ang nakita niyang paraan upang maiyahon ang pamilya sa kahirapan. Hindi naman siya nabigo dahil kinuha agad siya ng Highland Boxing Promotion para sa Thailand lumaban. Dito na siya nagsanay ng gusto sa pakikipaglaban at dinaglaon ay naging kampiyon siya ng Asia Boxing Federation Welterweight Division. Araw ng Miyerkules, October 26, taong 2022, nagsimula ang pananalasa ni Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Haharapin niya rito si Santampub Sobrangkor aka Warampot Jisadajin Jawat, ang isa sa rising star na pambato ng Thailand. Pero ang kanilang ipinagmamalaking pambato nilang ito ay round number 4 lang ang itatagal sa ating boksingero. Dito sa round number 1, unti-unti nang tinatansya ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kanyang kalaban. Wala na itong magawa sa kilos ng ating kababayan.
หมัดซ้ายเข้าหลังครบโอ้โหทิ้งหมัดซ้ายซ้ายกับขวาครับกับขวาครับซ้ายโอ้โหตัดลำตัวครับหมัดขวาจากตรงนั้นโอ้โหเจอซ้ายครับหมดยกแรก
Round number 2, matindi rin bumayo ang Thai na boksingero pero mas nakalamang na dito ang ating pambato.
เลยยกสองมาโอ้โหไม่ทราบว่าไปขึ้นมาจากไหนยกหน้าแล้วครับเขาเลยเทคโนโลยีทนได้นะครับสถานพบหนีครับหมัดซ้ายนะครับโอ้โหอัปเปอร์คัตโอ้โหบวกหมัดสวยครับแม่ถึงกับชะงักนะครับทางด้านของสถานพบครับหมดยกที่สอง
Round number 3, kabisado na ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kanyang kalaban. Lagi na itong napapaatras sa bawat kamao na kanyang binibitawan.
นะครับสถานพบแหมตอนนี้ครับเหมือนกับเสือเห็นเหยื่อเลยครับกระโจนเข้าใส่เลยครับอดอทอเรสต้องถอยนะครับเจอพลังการบุกของอดอทอเรสอย่างนี้อดอทอเรสต้องระวังนะครับระวังกำปั้นสูงดีแค่นี้เหรออดอทอโอ้โหขวาหน้าทางด้านของสถานพบเจออัปเปอร์คัตที่เหลือขานะครับสถานพบโอ้โหเจอหมัดซ้ายเลยครับซ้ายลำตัวโอ้โหอัปเปอร์คัตขวาครับแม่แทบจะร่วงครับลูกนี้ต้องหมุนออกมาก่อนครับต้องถามใจอดอทอเรสแล้วครับตอนนี้ถามใจเขาแล้วครับว่าจะเอาถึงน็อกไหมต่อยซ้ายเข้าหน้าด้านของสถานพบครับ
Dito sa round number 4, malalakas na patama sa bodega at mga uppercut na powerful ang pinakawala ni Kabayan. Ang brutal na tumapos sa Thai na kalaban.
สถานพบครับโอ้โหสายแต่งหน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้กรรมการ
Makalipas lang ang isang buwan ay muling lumaban ang ating pambato. Araw ng Miyerkules, November 30, taong 2022 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Haharapin naman niya rito si Pirin Sokmuang, ang isa sa mga halimaw na Thai na boksingero. Pero round 1 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
อดอทอเรสนะครับเป็นนักมวยจากประเทศฟิลิปปินส์นะครับเป็นมวยซ้ายนะครับเป็นการชกชนะ5แพ้4เสมอ1เป็นการชนะน็อกเอาท์2ครั้งนะครับมาแบบหนักๆครับนำตัวให้ทางด้านของได้ตื่นนะครับปัดขวากระแทกครับร่วงเลยครับนอนครับนี่นะครับเป็นการนำไปสู่ 8แล้วค่อยๆลุกขึ้นมาไม่ต้องรีบร้อนครับเวลามีเหลือเฟือเองครับจะแก้เกมยังไงเอาครับไม่แต่เราโดนชับไล่ลงแล้วปัดแรงการเรียบร้อยครับจบแค่ยกแรกครับเขายุติการแข่งขันแค่ยกแรกครับ
Dahil sa napaka-impresibong panalo ng ating pambato ay palakpakan talaga ang napakaraming tao. Makalipas ulit ang isang buwan, araw ng Miyerkules, December 28, taong 2022 sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Nilabanan naman ni Ador Torres si Messiah Kawisit, ang pinakamatigas na kanilang pambato. Paglalabanan nila rito ang Asia Boxing Federation welterweight title na kampyonato na hawak ng Thai na boksingero. Pero round 4 lang pala ang itatagal ng kampyon sa ating boksingero.
สายจับโอ้โหสายจับได้ครับโดนแล้วมีอาการเลยครับทางด้านของพิชยาไปทะลุเลยครับโอ้โห
Itinigil na dito ng referee ang laban dahil di na kayang lumaban ng Thai na kalaban. At naging bagong kampyon dito ang ating kababayan. Sa pagpasok ng taong 2023, araw ng Huwebes, April 27, nabigyan ulit ng laban ang ating pambato. Dedepensahan niya ang kanyang hawak na titulo sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Si Pirapong Puentueng ay napakalakas na kanya makakalaban. Pero round number 3 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating kababayan.
Getting it. Good body work again. Two-punch body combination from Adol Torres. Trying to loop that left hook, left uppercut to the body in, and he's getting it. Right hook to the body from Adol Torres. Not phased at all. And another knockdown, and that is it. The referee's calling it off in round number 3.
Kampiyon pa rin si Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand at dito na nagsimula ang mga Thai na siya ay katakutan. Araw ng Huwebes, June 29, taong 2023 sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Makalipas ang 2 buwan ay muling lumaban si Kabayan. Makakalaban niya ang isa sa pinakamalakas na pambato ng Thailand. Si Sakda Langkabam ay inakalang kayang talunin ang Pilipinong boksingero. Pero round number 2 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Left hand as well, down the right hand. Sakdar still hanging in there. Right hook connects there for Adol Torres. A big right jab. Big hook to the body there, and Sakdar is down. Sakdar is down. He can't count the down fighter. Okay, so and again a right hook to the body, and referee waving it off. So Adol Torres is going.
Makalipas ang 2 buwan, araw ulit ng Huwebes, September 28, taong 2023 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Napalaban naman si Torres kay Pantawit Soperom na may alias na Dintrit Sitsotong. Pero katulad ng mga naunang Thai na boksingero, round number 2 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Work off the two. Elon Adol's southpaw stance. Litong will be able to capture it and be the new champion. That's just hit the chin. Short. And Adol Torres with a straight punch for you, and that's going to be the end of round 1. It was normally with the left hand, left hook, and that's what he's doing as Adol Torres slightly straight from Torres as well. So here we go, there's that just touching away and landing with power with the right hook. Left hook to the upstairs and left hook to the body there again. There you go again. Isley just landed some light combinations to Detrit's side. It's Detrit's upper body, and there you go. Detrit's down with a body shot. It doesn't look like he's going to get up. Torres just.
Ngayong taong 2024, araw ng Huwebes, March 28, isa na namang Thai na boksingero ang naghamon sa kanyang trono. Si Wampisit, si Ripana ay inakala rin na kayang talunin ng ating bida. Pero katulad ng mga nauna, round number 4 lang ang itinagal niya. Dito sa round number 4, suka na ng dugo ang Thai na kalaban. Hindi na niya kinakaya ang bawat kamao na binibitawan ng ating kababayan.
จะยัดแม่นดูครับอดอทอเรส
Again, dancing around with that nice jab, flicking out combinations.
นะครับปัดซ้ายไปครับวันพิชิตอดอทอเรส
Adol Torres with a nice combination, and he needs to do something because this referee is looking very closely here.
ลูกหนัก
Juan Pachit now needs to come alive, and a beautiful, and I don't think they're doing enough.
ให้วันพิชิตต่อยก่อนครับ
Adol Torres now has Juan Pachit where he wants him.
ซ้าย
He needs to just keep bullying Juan Pachit right now, just constantly throwing combinations.
อุ้ยออกมา
It's a rounds.
ชัดนะครับอัปเปอร์คัตขวาอาศัยจังหวะแล้วครับอดอทอเรสครับวนซ้ายทีขวาที
Looking for a reason to now step in, I believe, because Juan Pachit, although dangerous, isn't doing anything to defend himself against these shots. Do not give the referee a reason, and like I said,
Dahil sa matinding pagkalasing ng Thai na kalaban, idineklara ng panalo ang ating kababayan. Nito lang araw ng Huwebes, May 30 taong 2024 ay napalaban ulit si Torres sa Space Plus Arena. Sa pagkakataong ito, isa na sa pinakamalakas na Thai boxer ang iniharap sa kanya. Si Satsada Pitakdantay aka Sing Manasak Gym ay isa daw sa pinakamahalimaw na Thai na boksingero, pero binugbog lang ito ng ating pambato.
mentions he doesn't throw a lot, but he gets the shot through. Jatsada Singh Mantasak Gym, representing a legendary gym here in town, likes to go to the body clean. Very nicely done by Adol Torres, and there it is. Oh, and nearly connects with it. He's finding exactly where his opponent is, and he goes alive with that nice combination. That is the bell. Takes on time. Think about a bat. When a bat is trying to find their opponent is or where their prey is, and nice right hand downstairs by Adol Torres, and a shovel punch upstairs on Thailand. Adol Torres in the Adol Torres lands a big stiff left to Lander Leon and set the pace of the fight. Charge him with the left hand. Fights before, I've seen him go down and get rocked lit into a fight, definitely hurting as he goes downstairs of a right. Adol Torres just starting to fire off, but he eats a left of sixth and final round. Adol Torres, like a machine gun, fires that combination forward and the left hand downstairs.
Si Ador Torres ay maaaring di mo kilalang boksingero na ating kababayan, pero isa rin siya sa dekalibreng manlalaban na nagbibigay ng karangalan sa ating inang bayan. Katulad niya na nagmula sa hirap at naniwala sa pangarap. Balang araw ay matutupad rin natin ang ating mga pangarap. Basta't samahan lang natin ng dasal sa ating Diyos na dakila sa lahat. Amen.